What's up, guys? We're here at Santa Cruz. We're going fishing at a boat. It's Rudy, Andrew, and Eddie. All right.
You said pull 20, right?
Guys, may mga boat rental dito sa Santa Cruz Pier. Ayan guys, naayos na namin yung gamit namin sa boat. Sa I think it's a 20 feet or 15 feet boat.
We're gonna go on Santa Cruz.
That's Rudy, siya nag-rent ng boat, Andrew and Eddie. So that's Rudy. He's setting up all the gears. And that's Santa Cruz. And we're here at Santa Cruz Pier in Santa Cruz, California. Ito pala, ang dami na ng muscle. Look at the muscle. California mussel. Oh, there's a pelican. It's dead. So another one there. There's another bird. Oh, ang daming anchovies. See, there's silver. Another sea lion. Oh, sea lion. Look at that. Sea lion. Hello. There's a lot of mussel.
Face this way? Yeah.
Alright, we're ready to roll.
We're gonna try to get some bait first. This is gonna be okay.
Bring a net?
Huh?
Oh,
Do we have a net?
no. No, the net. For the bait?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Right between that buoy and the other one. A lot of really fun rock.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah.
There.
You
Free bait.
Okay. Yeah.
Just leave it in there?
Yeah, this is okay. That's okay. Just keep.
Free bait.
a spinning rod, right? Which one?
Yeah,
is yours?
that one.
This
The second one, the
This
blue.
right?
Yeah, next to the red one.
The red one.
Yeah, I gotta fish something.
I cannot have you, Neil, huh? Can I have you, man?
Oh,
I throw up on your fish, huh?
what fish this? What fish this?
That's an olive.
Huh?
Olive or yellow tail?
I'll chump your fish.
What's this, Rudy?
Good size, man.
What is this?
That's a good fish.
What kind of fish is this?
Olive,
Olive?
olive or yellow tail. One of those.
About to go up to.
Let's see. All right, Eddie, look at that vermilion. Woo!
Like it. Good one.
Olive, that's a good spot. Look at that thing, maybe a vermilion.
Oh, same thing.
Oh, it's olive spot.
Yeah, that's a good spot.
Catch a couple more. Yeah, good spot. Oh, that's 2 pounds.
Yeah, it's a good size too.
Yeah. This fish is good. Olive.
Yeah, 10 of those and then we move.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll go link out somewhere.
Put on the here.
Anchovy.
See that.
Here, Andrew.
It's already at the bottom.
Oh, another. Blue again. Black, blue, blue.
You hooked on to mine?
Holy shit.
Oh, nice.
Andrew, your line's on my. Fucking killed it.
Nice vermilion. Vermilion. Same.
Oh, something's biting my thing.
You're putting them slow, okay? You and Neil, got each other's fish.
No, it's lighter.
Rudy, is it a bite?
Let me see.
Bring it up slow. Bring it up slow. Feel heavy? Bring it all the way.
It's probably a rock.
You always test it, the heavy.
Yeah, it's
Uh, the brown.
Yeah.
Put it in the bucket. We'll just share, we'll pick,
All the brown. Or rockfish.
we'll take turns, yeah, we'll take turns picking like crab. Hey, Neil.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Bait. You reuse the bait, Rudy?
Huh?
Reuse it?
Yeah, just go ahead, use it. I think these halibut will eat it. Happy. What?
Oh. Fish on! Fish on!
Fish on!
Woo.
What?
No, it's gone already.
Oh, it came out? No
Yeah.
bait. God, Andrew,
It's
come
heavy.
on, man.
Oh, it's still on there. Maybe rock cod.
Yeah?
It's still on there.
Just put them in that cooler, okay?
Oh yeah, it's rock cod, black or blue.
Oh, nice.
Blue.
Blue.
We didn't even eat it yet.
Let's go. This is the hook remover here.
Nice.
Cooler, and then grab the hook with it, and then pick it out.
Good job.
Wait, what?
First fish, yeah. Pinch it, and then shake them loose. His eyes are closed, but he's very enough.
Look like a big one, Andrew.
When I see it, I chomp.
Try not to look at the water. Come on,
If it's vermilion, then it's spot. Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, another vermilion.
It's all big one.
That's our fourth vermilion. Good job. You're on the white top.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a mine.
Fish on. Oh, we got two. Shit.
Double bingo.
Double.
Let me hold
Hold it.
Nah, those are big ones too.
Ooh.
We need to cut your bait.
There you go. I got a fish.
Is it heavy? Heavy?
Heavy.
Slow. Bring it slowly, Neil.
Ooh, it's heavy.
Hey.
Let's see what he has.
Bring it slower, okay? Don't bring it too fast because he might be holding on.
It might be a link caught.
Yeah, he's holding on, but he won't let it go.
Let me see. I'll let you know. Sit down.
Okay. Put your pole over here, Andrew, so
Oh,
Oh, it's heavy.
you're not up here, Andrew. You want to hook it? If it's a big fish? Okay.
no. Oh, no. Wait. Let him reel it. I'll let him reel in first.
Is it so heavy still?
Yeah.
It might be a link caught.
Hey, it didn't come. Here, give me that pole. Get ready to, here, give me that pole.
Put cap it on the head.
No, anywhere on the body. And, hey, give me your pole.
Whoa. Heavy.
Like this, right?
No, look. Point it upward. I mean,
Like this?
yeah.
Yeah.
Where's the? You don't have a net?
No, come on. You can do it. It's just a fish.
Don't get mad at me.
Remember, go down and up.
What's this?
Oh yeah, it's a
Halibut.
Oh, halibut.
Huh? Hook him now. Hook him now. Anywhere.
Oh, it's a halibut.
Go under him, okay? Under him and then hook it.
Ooh, nice.
Oh, it's a big one.
Oh shit.
Like this?
Nice.
Anywhere. And then
Up
under
from
pull him up.
there.
Pull him in.
Oh, nice. Woo. Nice. Nice. Shit. Shit. Oh shit.
There's halibut here.
It's a big
Big
one.
ass halibut. Yay.
Good job,
Good
man.
job.
Hey. All right.
Nice.
This is why
All right.
Andrew's first
Uh,
deal. Here, don't do nothing yet. Hit him in the head with this. Hit him with the head hard until he dies.
shit.
Stepping on it. You hit it on the head.
Man, that was a shit, dude.
It's heavy, huh?
Yeah.
Well, that's a what? 26,
That's a
30.
really good size. That's
Nice.
fat.
My first halibut ever.
Hit him in the head hard before you touch him.
Hit in the head, huh? Harder. I don't want to look down too much.
Also, with live anchovy.
Look.
There.
Yeah, live anchovy.
Hey, Neil, look at this.
My
Andrew,
first halibut.
his first halibut. Live anchovy. Wow, look at
Nice.
that. Looks like a good size right there, like 30, 34.
Okay, really catch a nice
Look at this guy.
vermilion. Look.
Good size. Oh, yeah. Okay. Hey, good.
Fighting.
Good size? What is it?
Probably. It's fighting. Oh, just same. Same one.
Good size? Where are we? Let's see. Where am I live? You ready? Yeah. All right, now.
First the
Holly. Oh, yeah, well. Eddie's good, man. Huh? And no seasick. Don't look at me, huh? You don't
Look at me.
You guys look at me to throw up, you throw up too.
Hey, you get jealous.
Yeah.
the biting the Squid.
Oh.
It's almost 2 o'clock. We're going back to the pier. And this is what we caught. Plus the halibut, 1 halibut. So the water getting rough. We're gonna go inside the So we're done, we're heading back. I think they're sick, huh? He's sick. Huh? Oh shit, there's another pole. Okay, we're done for today. So 2 o'clock, we're packing up.
Let me see that cooler, those little coolers. Oh, these are the drink. We'll put this. This way. Together, this way.
That's the hali that we caught.
Hey, the fish. I don't want my fish, huh? Okay. Huh? I want to measure the halibut. Measure it. Measure, yeah.
How do we choose?
Yeah, nice fish here.
Oh!
A lot of fillets, deep fries.
Deep fry, sinigang.
Oh, you can eat. Very expensive in the store.
How much the blue sell in the store?
I don't know, but I know the
Like
the gophers and the China cod are like over 15 a pound.
really?
Yeah. You guys want to use this?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Oh yeah. Look at that. No.
Wash my hand later.
Yeah. Yeah, they got olives here.
Olives.
The halibut's nice.
That's my catch for today.
That's Neil's catch, man. That was a good one. We thought it was a link cut. And the reason why we cut small ones, we were going to use it for link cut bait. But we didn't have time. Look at this one. That was a hitchhiker. We almost had a link cut, but it let go. See, these were supposed to be hitchhiker bait. But
Pick this.
we didn't have time to go back. The wind kicked in. But other than that, after we were going to use it for bait, of course, we have them as our 10 catch. Alright, next time we're going to go back.
Gonna come back for the hali.
And a little bit more experience, and hopefully the weather's good. September is really nice. October is about almost at the end. But we still got to check regulations to make sure they didn't change on us.
Good. That's yours. Go ahead.
Oh, you don't want this?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Get all. Get.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.